Shengmilo MX03, electric bike 1000W Bafang motor. All-terrain electric mountain bike. The Shengmilo MX03 all-terrain electric mountain bike is a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for an exhilarating off-road adventure. Packed with impressive features, this bike offers an unparalleled riding experience. Its powerful electric motor delivers robust performance and makes conquering steep hills effortless. The MX03 boasts exceptional durability and can withstand various terrains, providing stability and control for riders. With its long-lasting battery, this bike offers extended ride durations, perfect for long-distance journeys. Additionally, its sleek design and comfortable seating make it a stylish and enjoyable ride. Whether you're tackling rough trails or cruising through urban landscapes, the Shengmilo MX03 all-terrain electric mountain bike will exceed your expectations. Fat tires. The fat anti-skid and wear-resistant tires provide better grip and traction on the toughest terrain. The biggest fun is to ride on the beach or snow, mountain roads. It will also leave a good impression. Shimano 7-speed derailleur. Shimano 7-speed transmission system, excellent transmission performance to ensure a safe and stable ride. You can switch to a larger gear when going uphill and a smaller gear when driving at high speed. Combined with the pedal assist system, you can adjust the appropriate speed to complete your journey. Bafang Powerful Motor 500W. This Bafang motor that produces up to 1000W peak power. The motor is the heart of the electric bicycle and the most critical component of the electric bicycle. Its performance affects the power, speed, endurance, and weighting ability. Motor climbing capability, 35 degrees, the waterproof level, IPX5 torque 80 Nm, max riding speed 25 km/h, 15.5 mph. Bafang motors support door-to-door after-sales service in Europe, North America, Japan, and other countries, so that you do not need to worry about after-sales problems of the motor. 48V 15AH long cruise lithium-ion battery. New Shengmilo MX03 combines the new battery technology with an 18,650 high-performance battery cells. This 840Wh battery efficiently improves the range, stability, and safety of Shengmilo bikes. A single charge can last up to 40-50 km on throttle mode and over 80-90 km with pedal assist mode. More than 1,500 charging cycles, battery capacity is not less than 90% after 8 months, not less than 80% after 18 months. Grips that conform to engineering mechanics. The handlebars designed according to ergonomics are made of soft damping plastic, so that your hands will not feel pain even if you ride for a long time. 3 buttons that control electric mode and power assist mode, and control power on or off. Long press the up button to turn on the headlights. Simple buttons make this full suspension e-bike easy to maneuver. Shengmilo MX03, electric bike 1000W Bafang motor.